Oh, it's a good one.
Hi. So you want to say hi?
How'd that go? Zoe? Oh. Video. You sure do, Elmo. How do you feel about this? Move on to the next combination, which is called the
You know it's not going to show up like that, but there you go. Thank you. You weirdo.
Okay, so Marie, when you're looking at the computer, your head is turning. You're upside down now. You guys eating big?
Stephanie, eat. Genesis, come. Come. Come, beba. Gracias.